How to share calendar on Outlook. So first of all, once you're on the Outlook page, you're going to want to go to the top left hand corner. Most of you will be on the mail section, but you're going to want to click on the calendar section there, that little calendar icon. That's going to bring you to your calendar, and then once you're here you can see all of your type of meetings, etc., that all would be in there. But you're going to want to go to the top right hand corner where it says share. Once you've clicked the share button, it should bring up a place where you can put in someone's email. That's going to be the person you're going to be sharing it with. So I'm just going to use this random email right here. I'm not going to show you the details of emails for obvious reasons, but I'll put the email in there. You can also can make it so they can view all details, and they can also edit your calendar as well. Then once you're done, you can click the share button. Then that's going to be sent to them. They're going to be able to see it and potentially edit it on their end too. And if you don't want them to see it anymore, etc., all you have to do is click the little bin icon on the right hand side. Leave a like on the video if that helps, and subscribe for more helpful videos.